In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a section in Wix Studio. If you are working on a site in Wix Studio and want to temporarily remove a section from view without deleting it, this is a very simple feature to use. Hiding a section can be helpful when you are testing layouts, cleaning up a page, or deciding whether you want a certain part of your design to remain visible. The good news is that Wix Studio gives you more than one way to do it, and both methods are quick. To get started, open your site in the Wix Studio editor so you can see your page and workspace clearly. Once you are inside the editor, go to the canvas and find the section you want to hide. When you've selected the correct section, right-click on it. A menu will appear, and from that menu, choose Hide. As soon as you do that, the section will be hidden from view. Here is also another way to hide a section if you prefer working from the panel view instead of directly on the canvas. On the left side of the screen, locate the Layers panel. In that panel, find the section you want to hide. Next to the section, click the More Actions icon, which appears as 3 dots. From the options that open, select Hide. This gives you the same result, so you can use whichever method feels more convenient for your workflow. One important thing to keep in mind is how hiding works across breakpoints. If you hide a section while you are working in the desktop view, that section will be hidden across all breakpoints, including tablet and mobile. That means the change is not limited to desktop only, so it's a good idea to be aware of that before you continue editing your design on smaller screen sizes. If you decide later that you want the section back, unhiding it is just as easy. Open the Layers panel from the bottom left area of your workspace. In the list, look for the hidden section. It will appear grayed out, which makes it easier to identify. Once you find it, click the eyeball icon next to that section. That will make the section visible again, and it will return to your page. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.